Hello, my name is Kevin, and welcome to the Great Hall at Monmouth University. Originally built in 1929 and designated a National Historic Landmark, the Great Hall is the heart of Monmouth University's campus. This iconic building with its grand staircase and distinctive columns is home to important administrative offices that will provide guidance throughout your journey as a student, such as undergraduate admission and financial aid. Here, you will also find an active hub for learning and studying with classrooms, event and lecture spaces, spacious study areas, and the bustling Parson Cafe. The Great Hall stands on the site of the former Shadow Lawn Mansion, once the summer White House of President Woodrow Wilson. Designed by Julian Abel, one of America's pioneering African-American architects, its ornate design is a blend of elegance and historical significance. You might recognize the Great Hall from the 1982 film Annie, where it served as Daddy Warbucks' mansion, including the iconic scene of Annie dancing on the steps in the main lobby. The Office of Undergraduate Admission on the first floor is where your journey at Monmouth begins. With a student-to-faculty ratio of 12:1, we offer 33 bachelor's programs and over 200 accelerated bachelor's plus master's degree program pathways, ensuring hands-on learning and collaboration across all majors. Upstairs, the Office of Graduate Admission provides opportunities for advanced learning through 24 master's and 4 doctoral programs, featuring flexible course delivery in fields like business, social work, occupational therapy, and more. For financial guidance, visit the financial aid office on the first floor, where our team assists 95% of undergraduate students with tailored financial aid options. Connect to the Great Hall is the Great Hall Annex, home to the Department of English. Here, you can delve into literature, creative writing, and professional writing programs, supported by dedicated faculty who foster a love of language and critical thinking. Thanks for exploring the Great Hall with me. Be sure to visit when you're on campus to experience its historic charm and vibrant academic environment firsthand.